नमो तस्सा भगवतो अरहतो सम्मा सम्बुद्धस्सा।
Welcome to this meditation session. Before we start meditation, all of you take Trisarana and Panchashila. And in order to take Trisarana and Panchashila, pay homage to Buddha by saying Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa thrice.
Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa. Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa. Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa.
Buddhang Saranang Gacchami.
Buddhang Saranang Gacchami.
Dhammang Saranang Gacchami.
Dhammang Saranang Gacchami.
Sanghang Saranang Gacchami.
Sangham Saranang Gacchami.
Dutiyampi Buddhang Saranang Gacchami.
Dutiyampi Buddhang Saranang Gacchami.
Dutiyampi Dhammang Saranang Gacchami.
Dutiyampi Dhammang Saranang Gacchami.
Dutiyampi Sanghang Saranang Gacchami.
Dutiyampi Sangham Saranang Gacchami.
Tatiyampi Buddhang Saranang Gacchami.
Tatiyampi Buddhang Saranang Gacchami.
Tatiyampi Dhammang Saranang Gacchami.
Tatiyampi Dhammang Saranang Gacchami.
Tatiyampi Sanghang Saranang Gacchami.
Tatiyampi Sangham Saranang Gacchami.
Tisarana Gamanang Paripurnang
Bhante.
Panatipata Veramani Sikkhapadang Samadhiyami.
Panatipata Veramani Sikkhapadang Samadhiyami.
Adinnadana Veramani Sikkhapadang Samadhiyami.
Adinnadana Veramani Sikkhapadang Samadhiyami.
Kamesu Michchāchāra Veramani Sikkhapadang Samadhiyami.
Kamesu Michchāchāra Veramani Sikkhapadang Samadhiyami.
Musāvāda Veramani Sikkhapadang Samadhiyami.
Musāvāda Veramani Sikkhapadang Samadhiyami.
Surameraya Majjapama Datthana Veramani Sikkhapadang Samadhiyami.
Surameraya Majjapama Datthana Veramani Sikkhapadang Samadhiyami.
Sadhu 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 tisaranena saddhim panchasilam dhammang sadhukam surakkhitam katva appamadena sampadeta.
Bhante sadhu sadhu sadhu.
So now we shall meditate. So all close your eyes gently. Keep your back and neck straight. सभी सुखपूरक आसन में बैठ जाएं। अपनी आंखें हल्के से बंद कर लें। अपनी कमर और गर्दन सीधी रखें। Let go all the thoughts of the past. Let go all the thoughts of the future. Bring all your attention into the present and start observing your breath. Start observing your breath. अतीत के सारे विचारों को त्याग कर, भविष्य की सारी कल्पनाओं को त्याग कर, वर्तमान में जो सांस आ रहा है, जो सांस जा रहा है, सारा ध्यान इसी पर केंद्रित करें। Keeping all your attention at the entrance of the nostril, observe your breath, the incoming breath, the outgoing breath, the incoming breath, the outgoing breath. Keep on observing each and every breath. Not a single breath should miss your attention. अपना सारा ध्यान नासिका के द्वार पर रखकर हर आने और जाने वाले सांस पर नजर रखें। एक एक सांस को देखें, एक एक सांस को जानें, एक एक सांस को महसूस करें। एक भी सांस आपके ध्यान से छूटने न पाए, निरंतर यही प्रयत्न करते रहना है। When the breath is coming in, you note that the breath is coming in. When the breath is going out, you note that the breath is going out. Like this, keep on observing your breath. Keep on feeling your breath. Be aware of your breath. Be mindful of your breath. Be conscious of your breath. सांस आ रहा है तो जानिए कि आ रहा है, सांस जा रहा है तो जानिए कि जा रहा है। इस तरह से हर आने और जाने वाले सांस पर नजर रखें। हर सांस को महसूस करें। निरंतर हर सांस की जानकारी बनाए रखें। एक भी सांस आपके ध्यान से छूटने न पाए, निरंतर यही प्रयत्न करते रहना है। The more and more you are with your breath, the more and more your mind becomes calm and concentrated. The more and more your mind becomes calm and concentrated, the more and more your breath becomes slow and subtle. Observe this phenomena with your own experience. जितना जितना आपका मन सांस पे टिकता चला जाता है, उतना उतना आपका मन शांत और एकाग्र होता चला जाता है। और जितना जितना आपका मन शांत और एकाग्र होता चला जाता है, उतना उतना आपका सांस सूक्ष्म और धीमा होता चला जाता है। Breath is your lifeline. No breath, no life. So the breath, which is your lifeline, how can you afford to neglect it? With utmost gratitude, with utmost gratefulness, observe your breath, feel your breath, be aware of your breath, be mindful of your breath, nothing but your breath. सांस हमारी जीवन धारा है। सांस नहीं तो जीवन नहीं। तो जो सांस हमारी जीवन धारा है, हम उसे कैसे अनदेखा कर सकते हैं? उस सांस के प्रति तो कृतवेदी होकर कृतज्ञता पूर्वक हर सांस को देखें, हर सांस को जानें, हर सांस को महसूस करें। एक भी सांस आपके ध्यान से छूटने न पाए, निरंतर यही प्रयत्न करते रहना है। To be with your breath is to be in the present. And to be in the present is to be calm and concentrated. Therefore, if you want to gain calm and concentration, then be in the present. And to be in the present, be with your breath. Nothing but your breath. अपने मन को सांस पे लगाए रखना, यानी अपने मन को वर्तमान में टिकाए रखना, और अपने मन को वर्तमान में टिकाए रखना यानी अपने मन को शांत और एकाग्र बनाए रखना। तो अगर अपने मन को शांत और एकाग्र बनाए रखना चाहते हो तो अपने मन को वर्तमान में टिकाए रखो, और अगर अपने मन को वर्तमान में टिकाए रखना चाहते हो तो अपने मन को अपने सांस पर लगाए रखो, निरंतर सांस की जानकारी बनाए रखो। The old habit pattern of the mind is to wander away. Wander away either into the past or into the future. But it never stays in the present. So in order to keep this mind, this wandering mind, in the present, keep your mind on your breath. मन की पुरानी आदत है भटकना, अतीत के विचारों में भटकना, भविष्य की कल्पनाओं में भटकना, वर्तमान में रहना उसकी बिल्कुल आदत नहीं रही। तो इस भटकते मन अगर वर्तमान में टिकाए रखना है तो अपने मन को अपने सांस पर लगाए रखना होगा, निरंतर सांस की जानकारी बनाए रखना होगा। Breath has always been with us, right from the birth till now, and it will be with us till our death. So the breath which has always been with us, but we never paid attention to it. So now is the time to pay attention to our breath, to observe our breath. सांस हमेशा हमारे साथ रहा है, जन्म से लेकर आज तक, और मरते दम तक ये हमारे साथ रहेगा। तो जो सांस हमेशा हमारे साथ रहा है, लेकिन हमने कभी उस पर ध्यान नहीं दिया, तो अब समय है कि हम अपने सांस पे ध्यान दें, सांस की जानकारी बनाए रखें। Do not let your mind to wander away. Every time it wanders away, bring it back to the breath, and once again start observing your breath. मन को बिल्कुल भी भटकने न दें। जब जब मन भटक जाए, तब तब उसे वापस लाकर अपने सांस पर लगाएं और निरंतर सांस की जानकारी बनाए रखें। अब इसी शांत और एकाग्र मन के साथ अपने आप के प्रति मंगल मैत्री करें, औरों के प्रति भी मंगल कामना करें। मेरा मंगल हो, मेरा भला हो, मैं सारे दुखों से मुक्त रहूं, औरों का भी मंगल हो, औरों का भी भला हो, वे सभी सारे दुखों से मुक्त हों। माता, पिता, भाई, बहन, ज्ञाति, मित्र, इन सब का मंगल हो, इन भला हो, वे सभी सारे दुखों से मुक्त हों। आचार्य, उपाध्याय, भिक्खु, भिक्खुनी, सामनेर, सामनेरी, उपासक, उपासिका, दायक, दायिका, इन सब का मंगल हो, इन सब का भला हो, वे सभी सारे दुखों से मुक्त हों। जल के, थल के और गगन के सभी प्राणियों का मंगल हो, उन सब का भला हो, वे सभी सारे दुखों से मुक्त हों। दशों दिशाओं के दृश्य और अदृश्य सभी प्राणियों का मंगल हो, उन सब का भला हो, वे सभी सारे दुखों से मुक्त हों। सबका मंगल हो, सबका भला हो, सबकी स्वस्थ मुक्ति हो। Now with this calm and concentrated mind, develop the thoughts of loving kindness, the thoughts of goodwill towards your own self and towards all other living beings. Repeat mentally, may I be happy, may I be peaceful, may I be free from enmity and danger, may I be free from mental suffering, may I be free from physical suffering, may I take care of myself happily. May my parents, teachers, relatives, friends, even my enemies be free from enmity and danger, be free from mental suffering, be free from physical suffering. May they take care of themselves happily. May my teacher and preceptor, all the monks and nuns, devotees and donors, may they all be free from enmity and danger, be free from mental suffering, be free from physical suffering. May they take care of themselves happily. May all the beings of the land, water and space be free from enmity and danger, be free from mental suffering, be free from physical suffering. May they take care of themselves happily. May all beings, visible or invisible, far or near, big or small, long or short, strong or weak, may they all be free from enmity and danger, be free from mental suffering, be free from physical suffering. May they take care of themselves happily. May all beings be happy. May all beings be peaceful. May all beings be liberated. May these very thoughts of loving kindness permeate throughout my body towards all beings in all directions. May these very thoughts of goodwill radiate throughout my body towards all beings in all directions. May these very thoughts of loving kindness and goodwill permeate and radiate throughout my body towards all beings in all directions. May they all be happy. May they all be peaceful. May they all be liberated. Now with this calm and concentrated mind and with these thoughts of loving kindness and goodwill, you may now slowly open your eyes. Slowly open your eyes. So, on this occasion of Vesak, the best way to pay our respect, to express our gratitude to Buddha is to meditate. Meditate with the base of morality, with the base of precepts. And that is what you have done today. Because Buddha himself, practicing the moral precepts, sat under the Bodhi tree on the Vesak full moon day and attained enlightenment, and therefore came to be known as Buddha, the Enlightened One. So one may, a newcomer, may feel why one should meditate. What is the necessity to meditate? Well, this is like something, or someone asking why one should take bath. Every day one takes bath. And why do you take bath? Because you want to clean your body, you want to feel fresh, you want to feel nice. daily when you go out on your job, you take bath, you fresh up, feel nice, and then you go on your job. And the whole day, again you are exposed to heat, you are exposed to the dirt, the dust. Sometimes you may get wet because of the rain. And when you return back home, again you take bath. Whatever dirt that is there on the body, or the sweat, you come and take bath and you fresh up. But there is so much of dirt that is gathering on your mind. So that means your mind also requires to take bath. So what is the way to give bath to your mind? What is the water by which you can give bath to your mind? Well, that is nothing else but meditation. Like when you go out, you may become wet because of the rain or dirty water on the roads. You sweat because of the heat. You gather dirt and dust on your body. In order to get rid of them, you come and take bath and fresh up. Similarly, when you are going out, your mind is also exposed to the rain of greed and lust. It is exposed to the heat of hatred and anger. It is exposed to the dust of delusions and illusions. And therefore, this mind also requires a bath. Like you give bath daily, morning and evening after returning from the job. Similarly, you have to give bath to your mind daily, morning and evening. Just imagine if someone doesn't take bath for days together or for weeks together or maybe even months together, how that person would be. He would be so irritated, agitated, with all itching around his body. He won't feel comfortable. He won't feel at peace. So just imagine if you don't give a mental bath, if you don't meditate to days together and months together, then how that person would be an agitated person, an irritated person. So as much importance we give to cleaning our body, equal or more importance should be given to cleaning our mind. And the only way to clean our mind is meditation. So meditation is a must. It is not a luxury, it is a necessity. So every day, morning, just like you take bath, you have to meditate. By bath, you give and you clean your body. Similarly, by meditating, you clean your mind. And then you go on to your job. Whole day, you travel, you do your job. And when you come back, again you take bath to fresh up. Similarly, when you come back, you have to meditate to clean your mind. So that is the importance of meditation. Without meditation, one cannot find peace or happiness. Because the real happiness arises from the mind. And if your mind is not clean, if your mind is filled with defilements, is agitated, how can you find peace? So any person who is seeking for peace and happiness has to meditate. And here today to practice this Anapanasati meditation, the mindfulness on the breath. This is a wonderful object of meditation. This object of meditation is always with you. You need not carry everywhere. It is always with you. People in search of God travel to distant miles to the temples, and there they go and pray for long life. Oh God, may I gain a long life. But here, the breath which is always with you, and it is the breath which is giving you life every moment. But you don't pay attention to the breath. Just imagine if you stop breathing for a minute, how suffocating it is. So the breath, which is your lifeline, the breath which is always with you, and yet you never pay attention to it. You are paying attention to each and everything outside, but you never pay attention to your own lifeline, to your own breath. So by this meditation, you start paying attention to your lifeline, to your breath. And the other advantage of observing the breath is that this breath is the index of your mind. Whenever your mind is agitated, when it is filled with defilements, your breath becomes hard and fast. While meditating, you might have observed this. Whenever your mind wanders away and there are thoughts of greed, hatred and division, you might have observed that your breath becomes fast and hard. And whenever your thoughts are free from greed, hatred and delusion, when your mind is focused, when your mind is calm, then you will find that your breath becomes calm, slow and subtle. So in that sense, your breath is the index of your mind. And this meditation, that is the observation of breath, has one more advantage, that it can be practiced anywhere, while sitting or while standing or while lying, anywhere. Even if 5 minutes time you get from your job into short intervals, you can practice sitting there. Or if you are waiting at a bus stand, you can observe your breath. So breath is accessible, easily accessible and all the time accessible to you to meditate. So therefore, understand the importance of this object of meditation, that is your breath. And try to keep this breath in your mind all the time, as long as possible. Because the more and more you are with your breath, the more and more your mind becomes calm and concentrated. And that is what all people are looking for. Everyone wants calm and concentration. And here is the best way. That is observing your own breath. So I hope you understand the importance of meditation and practice this meditation daily, morning and evening, as you take bath daily, morning and evening. So by cleaning your mind, you will always feel fresh, you feel nice, you feel happy. So I hope you all will practice this meditation daily for your own good, for your own benefit, and for the good and benefit of all others around you. With that, I conclude. May you all be well and happy. Bhavatu Sabba Mangalam.
Sa